Welcome to the Lexus GXBOB channel, the only non-cooking channel that does his vlogs in the kitchen. A few days ago, a few of you have submitted your names into a raffle that we are going to be doing today. That raffle was supposed to give away 3 boroscopes worth over $100 each. Folks, I have good news and I have bad news. The good news is the 3 boroscopes I'm giving away was only a teaser. I'm also giving away other stuff. Other stuff such as a couple of LISEN power bank chargers. They charge your devices while you plug it into the outlet. And once the battery is full, you can take them along with you and use it as a cell phone charger on your travels. The really cool thing about this, it has a digital screen to let you know how much life is left. It's just too bad my dog Winston doesn't have a digital screen. He just limps around all day long. We're also going to be giving away a Creator Elite T scanner, the same scanner that started it all. I reached out to Creator to see what type of cars it works on. They said Toyota and Lexus. I've tried it on my Honda and it works just fine. But if you reach out to me and ask if it works on a Nissan, the only response I'm going to give you is, why the fuck did you buy that car? I'm also giving away 4 t-shirts on my Etsy store. If you go on my Etsy store, you're going to find over 130 t-shirt designs, all worth $25 each. This one is my favorite. And finally, folks, I wanted to share a part of my roots with you. Every single time I go back to Thailand, I stop by a famous snake farm. I would pick up a whole bunch of these cobras, real cobras, stuffed inside of a cognac bottle, and they don't stop right there, guys. If you look closely, there is a real black scorpion in the mouth of the cobra. I once brought an American friend back with me to Thailand once. He is a retired Marine Corps. He was also the only brave enough soul to take a shot of this within our tour group. To this day, he still sends me screenshots of his 13-inch dick, which was 4 inches prior to taking these shots every single morning for the past 2 years. And there you go, and that's it. What is the bad news? The bad news is there is more than 200 submittals for this raffle. So good luck to the ones that win, and for the ones that don't, we will continue to have another raffle next year for the holidays. Let's go ahead and get started. Go to the wheel of names and start spinning the wheel for prizes. Okay guys, I'm going to do a screen record, everything in real time. I'm going to go ahead and push record here. 3, 2, 1. So I created this Excel sheet right here with all of the entries, and they are in alphabetical order. As you can see right here, I'm going through the names of everybody, and there is about 228 entries. And the reason why I put it on an Excel sheet and put it in alphabetical order first, because I was trying to weed out all the cheaters that tried to submit 2 or 3 times and think I didn't notice. So I removed about 3 different names that were duplicates just to make it fair for everybody. So I'm going to now go ahead and Control Alt, take all of this, copy them and put it into the wheel template. It's going to populate on this side, and it's going to create a wheel of names with everybody's names on here, but it is still in alphabetical order. So we're going to go ahead and shuffle these names. There's a option right here. I'm going to click shuffle once, twice, and 3 times. Let's shuffle 3 times. Okay, so right here it says entries 228. We already confirmed that on our Excel sheet. Once I click the wheel, it is going to start spinning and it's going to land and choose the winner. This is the list in order of the prizes. We're not going to do it randomly. We're going to do boroscope 1, 2, 3, power bank 1, 2, then scanner, then t-shirt 1, 2, 3, 4, and then finally the Cobra snake wine. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. I am going to spin the wheel. The first winner is CGT underscore. So let's go over here and look for CGT underscore. CGT underscore. I'm going to put Boroscope 1 right next to your name. After you win, I'm going to remove your name off the wheel so we give other people a chance. This next spin is for Boroscope number 2. Pin Pula 9863 Pin Pula. So Pin Pula, congratulations on Boroscope number 2. Where did you go here? Pin Pula 9863 Boroscope number 2. Okay, let's go ahead and remove you off the wheel. And let's go ahead and spin it for Boroscope number 3. GTO Gino. All right. Congratulations, GTO Gino. GTO Gino. Where did you go? Right here. GTO Gino. Boroscope number 3. Let's remove you off the wheel. The next prize is going to be Power Bank number 1. Florida Dog 9857. All right, Florida Dog. You got Power Bank number 1. Congratulations. We are going to remove you off the wheel. Now this is for Power Bank number 2. Power Bank number 2 goes to Jonathan Durand, 1980. Okay, Jonathan Durand, 1980. Where did you go? Right here. Power Bank number 2. Let's go ahead and remove you off the wheel. Let me just get a warm and fuzzy here to make sure I'm doing everything in order and no mistakes are being made. Okay, now we're on to scanner. Let's go ahead and hit this. This winner will win the Launch Creator T scanner. And the winner is Jim Green 964. All right, Jim Green 964. Let's take care of you. Done. Next one is T-shirt number 1. Let's remove Jim Green. T-shirt number 1, folks. Brian Guerrero 9268, congratulations. T-shirt number 1. Brian Guerrero. Here you go. T-shirt, shirt 1. Now let's remove Brian Guerrero. Spin it for t-shirt number 2. T-shirt number 2 goes to Alua. Fuck me. I'm not gonna even try. All right, Alua, fuck me. Let me see. Luo. You got t-shirt number 2. Remove you off the list. Now we're going to go for t-shirt number 3. T-shirt number 3 goes to Metal Tick 323. Metal Tick. T-shirt number 3. Done. Remove you off the wheel. T-shirt number 4. T-shirt number 4 goes to Arnak 4629. Remove you. Okay guys, this is going to be our final prize, which is the snake wine. Good luck to all of you. This is going to be the very last spin, and your cock will grow another 8 inches, guaranteed, according to my Marine veteran friend. Okay, let's go ahead and hit spin. Let's go bigger cock. Let's go bigger cock. Let's go bigger cock. The winner goes to... This is a pretty slow damn wheel, man. The suspense is killing me. Doughboy 80. Sweet. Doughboy 80. All right. Done. Okay, you guys. Don't go anywhere yet, because those that won, I need to get in contact with you. And the only way to contact you is for you to provide me your email address, okay? And this is how you're gonna do it. You're gonna go to your YouTube channel. You're gonna go to your top corner right here where your profile is. Scroll down to YouTube Studio. Click on YouTube Studio, and along your tabs here, you're going to go to customization. Click on customization. In customization, you're going to scroll down until you see about, your about page. Right here, your about page is your contact information. You put in your email address. Once you put in your email address, go ahead and click on publish. Up here in this corner, there's going to be a tab that says publish, and that will save your information. After you publish it and save your screen, I'm going to go into your YouTube profile and look for you, and I'm going to reach out to you through your email address, and from there I can grab your home address or wherever you want me to ship it to, and I'll ship it to you guys for free. Okay? There you guys have it. Thank you guys for joining me on my journey in 2025 and to continue into 2026. Congratulations on the winners of this holiday giveaway. I will be doing a lot more holiday giveaways in the near future. So continue to follow me, and once I become car Karen Nut status, I will probably give away a car or something. But for now, it's gonna be, you know, little DIY stuff for you guys. All right, thanks for joining me, guys. Peace.